Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to do live swatches as well as include lip swatch photos of LA Girl's new Lipify Stylo lipsticks. These are available through Ulta to purchase for $7 each, and they are also available through the LA Girl website. I'll put a link in the description box below to where you can find them if you're interested in buying them. And I want to let you know right away that I am also doing a separate video, which is going to be an application and try-on video for a whole bunch of brand new LA Girl makeup. So that includes a lot of face makeup, eye makeup, and lip makeup. But I wanted to make sure to do this separate video for specifically the Lipify Stylo lipsticks so that I could show you all of the shades and give you a representation of the colors so that you could decide what shades would best suit you. So please make sure that you go check out that video. I'm not sure which one I'm going to publish first, but they should be published within a day or two of each other so that you can use them in combination to make your decisions about purchasing any of the LA Girl makeup products. As always, please check the description box to see the link to the full review after I fully tested out these lip products and for larger images of the colors applied to the lips. You'll also always find a link to the blog sale if you want to purchase any discounted makeup items there, as well as a link to Ebates so that you can get extra cash back on any purchase that you make through Ulta or Sephora. Alright, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and without further delay, let's get looking at the Lipify Stylo lipsticks. So, according to LA Girl's description, it says, Lipify glides on rich, intense color in just one swipe. Enriched with hydrating argan oil and olive oil, the non-sticky, lightweight formula moisturizes lips with a luxurious, soft, and shiny finish. Now, on Ulta's website, I'm not sure how this happened because I purchased 13 shades, I believe, through Ulta, but when I look on my phone at the website, only 10 of the shades seem to be available, at least at the moment. And then when I go straight to LA Girl's website, there are 15 total shades. So I'm not sure where the difference in numbers comes from, but in any case, I will show you all 13 shades here before you. And like I said, through LA Girl's website, they retail for $7 each. It should be about the same through Ulta. And I believe these are also available through CVS if you want to go in person and see them. These also do have a twist up or retractable type of packaging so that you can twist up the product as you are using it. Oh, but one warning, they're not exactly retractable because you can't twist them down. So make sure that you don't twist them up further than the amount that you want to use, because I found out that you can't twist them back down into the tube. So each shade has a series of letters and numbers, and then the name. I'm just going to go by giving you the last 2 digits of each number. So here is 71 Lingerie, 72 Dreamer, 73 Corset, 74 Giddy, 75 Honeymoon, 76 Teddy, 77 Superstitious, 78 Ambitious, 80 Panic, 83 Brave, 84 Lust, 85 Jubilee, 86 Riot. Alright, starting with Lingerie. This is a medium nude with a slightly peachy undertone to the pink. Dreamer is more of a traditional nude, less peach, more of a slightly grayish pink tone. Corset is another nude shade. This one has even more of a dusty, like grayish quality, so it's a very grayed pink. Giddy is a medium rose pink. Honeymoon is a deeper mauvey pink. Teddy is another mauvey pink, but this is a deep, I'd say this is the deep mauve shade, and then the one that I swatched previously is actually more of like a berry rose mauve. So this one's more brown, and this one is more violet or slightly more purple toned. Superstitious is a gray brown. Ambitious is a really deep browned berry. Panic is a really bright fuchsia. Brave is another super bright, very pinky based coral. Lust is a strawberry toned red. Jubilee is a deeper, more traditional red. It's slightly brick toned. And last is Riot, which is a deep berry purple. Alright, so there are all 13 shades swatched for you. You can see that they all have great pigmentation. There's a really nice range of nudes, pinks, and reds slash purples. Looking at them up close, you can see that they all have a creamy finish to them. So even though there's no shimmer in any of the shades, there is still a gloss-like character to the finish of all of the colors. Alright, so there you have LA Girl's Lipify Stylo lipsticks. Now, as you can see from the swatches, I don't know that I've really ever come across a formula that is so creamy. They are so creamy and soft that you could see that with several of the shades, the actual product itself kind of would break off of the applicator and leave tiny little bits on the skin. I'm sure that you'll be able to control that and fix that when you're actually applying them to the lips, but it just gives you an idea of how soft the formula is, which signals that it's going to be super comfortable to wear, but it's not quite a good sign if you're looking for a lipstick that is going to be smudge resistant or transfer proof. I definitely don't think you're going to get that with this formula. All the shades are very nicely pigmented, like I mentioned. There is a slight fragrance to these, and we'll let you know in the review if I notice them on application. I didn't notice them while swatching. It wasn't that strong, but when I did smell to see if there was a fragrance, I know that sounds weird, but you know, for the purpose of reviewing, when I was smelling them, there is a type of slightly sweet fragrance to them. So if you're extra sensitive to fragrance, then that's definitely something you want to keep in mind. If any of these shades appeal to you, please leave me a comment in the comments section below letting me know which one you liked best, or any other thoughts that you have. These are so nice because they're so affordable, and especially if you purchase them through Ulta, you can always take advantage if they have a buy one get one half off or buy two get one free type of deal. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you were interested in the colors in this range, please make sure to watch the other video where I do a full face using essentially all LA Girl makeup, including foundation, powder, eye products, mascara, lip products, things like that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next one.